Are you planning to move to Rochester, Minnesota? Well, if yes, then where should you buy a home? Well, let's see if we can solve that problem for you. In this video, we're going to discuss just a few of the neighborhoods in Rochester, Minnesota. But watch this video until the end for a bonus neighborhood highlight, one you definitely don't want to miss if you're really looking forward to moving to Rochester. But before we dig in, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to know where to buy a home in Rochester, Minnesota. Hello, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. Rochester is a booming city in Olmsted County and located in southeastern Minnesota. Now, there are lots of newer neighborhoods with new construction, but today we're going to be focusing on neighborhoods that have been around a while, have many home styles, mature trees, and have been a big draw for buyers year after year. So let's start with Arbor Glen. The Arbor Glen neighborhood is part of the Lincolnshire Arbor Glen area in Rochester, Minnesota. And Arbor Glen presents an appealing suburban setting that is really recognized for its mid-range real estate values, with median prices being around $390,000. The area mainly features medium to large single-family homes and townhomes, with a lot of them built after 1999, which gives the neighborhood a mature yet fresh appeal. Arbor Glen prides itself on promoting community and personal pride, with family-friendly social events that really enhance the residents' quality of life. The community has open, spacious backyards, a quiet setting, and it's only minutes to some of Rochester's main shopping districts. Efforts are underway as well to upgrade parks and landscaping, which will only increase this area's desirability. Moving to another gem of a neighborhood, let's take a look at Lowertown. The Lowertown neighborhood in Rochester, Minnesota is a vibrant and evolving area that really cherishes its historical roots while embracing modern development. Bordering downtown Rochester, Lowertown is known for its proximity to natural attractions like Silver Lake and the Design District, and it's a hub of restaurants, theaters, small businesses, and historic homes. Re-established in 2018 from the original Northrop neighborhood, Lowertown honors Rochester's first business district from 1857, showcasing its historical significance and geographical layout. Lowertown is just north of downtown and is bordered by natural areas like Cascade Lake and the Zumbro River. This neighborhood is easily identifiable by its unique blue street sign toppers, which help guide residents and visitors alike through its historic and scenic streets. Summertime in Lowertown is particularly lively with outdoor activities and amenities such as biking and paddle boating. This area is connected to Olmsted County's extensive bike trail system, providing so many opportunities for enjoying the outdoors. Exploring the Lowertown neighborhood in person or engaging with its community online can offer a deeper understanding of this unique Rochester locale. Now moving on, let's talk about Meadow Park. Meadow Park is nestled in southeast Rochester, Minnesota, and it offers a unique blend of suburban living with a little dash of cultural diversity and community spirit. This neighborhood is characterized by a mix of small to medium-sized single-family homes and apartment buildings. The kicker here is that there's a wide age range for the homes here, primarily from the 1970s to the present, which gives it a modern yet established feel. And the real estate market here is quite accessible, with median prices that are more affordably compared to the broader Minnesota market, making it potentially an attractive area for families or individuals seeking a blend of value and quality of life. And last but not least, we have Foxcraft. It's a really nice area in Rochester, Minnesota, known for its high-end homes and great location. It's actually centrally located right in Rochester and abuts the Rochester Golf and Country Club. And Foxcraft has grown over the years with several additions, so you really get some great diversity both in the age and the style of homes here. The area is known for its large properties and custom-built homes, and many of which have really high-end features and beautiful architecture. The single-family homes in this area are listed at prices starting around $500,000 to up over $1 million. And people who live here in Foxcraft get to enjoy privacy and amenities, and they're also super close to downtown Rochester and the Mayo Clinic, which is very handy. And because of its private feel and well-planned niches, Foxcraft is one of the most sought after places to live in here in Rochester for people who love style and comfort. And as promised, here's the bonus neighborhood, Kutzky Park. This is really a dream neighborhood for so many reasons. This vibrant urban area is really known for its proximity to the Mayo Clinic, which is just a few blocks to the west. This neighborhood is celebrated for its beautiful tree-canopied streets and a wide range of architectural styles, including craftsman bungalow, four-square, English cottage, Cape Cod, and colonial revival homes. And because of this diversity in home types and sizes, home prices can really vary, but the average is somewhere around $300,000. So when buyers tell me that they like older homes with some character, well, this is one of the neighborhoods that comes to mind. It's super rich in character and history, and it's surrounded by employment opportunities and a plethora of shopping, dining, and recreational options. The Ksky Park Neighborhood Association actually plays a huge role in enhancing the area's livability by maintaining communication between residents, government agencies, and other neighborhoods. They actually even organize events such as park cleanups and the Kutzky Crawl and National Night Out picnics, which really helps foster community engagement. The tough thing is that this is an area of high demand, so finding available homes here can be really difficult. Again, with its proximity to the Mayo Clinic, it's a hotbed for investors with very strong long-term and short-term rental options. So there you have it. It's a small, tiny peek into some of Rochester's great neighborhoods that you could soon call home. And if you'd like to know more about Rochester, Minnesota, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos, and follow me on all of my socials. And if you liked this video, then make sure to hit that like button and click on the boxes on your screen to see any of my other videos too. Comment down below and I'll make sure that I answer all of your questions. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. We love where we live and we want you to love where you live too. So thanks so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.